There's a certain someone who I'm indebted to, and since you'll be in CS50, I have this friend for you.
2, 3, 4.
Rubber Ducky, you're the one. You make psets so much fun. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Rubber Ducky, you make me smile, and you help my code compile. Rubber Ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true. When I'm at a standstill, your debugging abilities stun me. When I'm at the end of my rope, you just snap and my code's up and running. Rubber Ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber Ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true. You're my best friend, it's true. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of you.